Hello everyone, welcome to the Next Tech Minds tutorial. Today we are going to develop radar system. Radio detection and ranging is the meaning of the term radar. Radar is an object detection system that uses microwave to determine the range, altitude, direction, and speed of the objects within about 100-mile radius of our location. These are the components of our today's project. This one is Arduino Uno module. It has 14 digital input-output pins, 6 analog input, and other pins are power pins. It also have USB port, then a power jack, and this one is reset button. Second component is servo motor. If you consider any servo motor, it will be having 3 terminals. This one, the red color will be always positive, need to connect 5 volt. Then brown color is negative, which is ground. And the third one is orange color, which is signal pin. This one is ultrasonic sensor. It has 2 parts, trig and echo, which are transmitter and receiver. The transmitter part will continuously send the ultrasonic signal, and when the signal hits any obstacle, it will reflect back and it will reach the receiver. Now this one is the breadboard, and these are jumper wires we are going to use for our connections. Now moving towards the connection. Starting with the connection, now connect this jumper wire with the pins of sensor like this. Similarly for this servo motor, connect these pins. For our convenience, we are taking this 5 volt and ground on the breadboard. Now connect ground of this sensor to the ground of controller. Then VCC of sensor to the VCC of controller, which is 5 volt. Similarly for servo motor, connect ground to the ground of controller and VCC to the 5 volt of controller. Now connect this output pin of servo motor to D12, which we already declare in our code. Then this trigger pin of the sensor to D10 and echo pin to the D11, and mount this ultrasonic sensor on servo motor for rotation purpose. Now we are done with the connection. Moving forward, for code uploading, open your Arduino IDE and firstly verify your codes and then upload it in the controller. After uploading the code, you are able to see the output of our project. Ultrasonic sensor rotate with the servo motor. For virtual view of the output, use processing software. In that, you have to mention the com which you mention in your code in IDE. Now it's done from my side. You guys try it by your own and stay connected for such amazing projects.